Hello and welcome to another InterDecco video, and this is the second part from embellishing and repurposing the Christmas decorations with a different technique now. So to continue with the topic of changing the appearance of the old Christmas decorations, since this year we're silver, so I might be going for gold or maybe repurposing the silver decorations. I will be using a different technique. So for example, today we will be using embellishing stickers to decorate the plain decorations, or gems that are already pre-glued, so I don't need to use any extra glue. Or you can use rolls of ribbons of Christmas decorations to give them a new lease of life. And again, to repeat very much what I said in the previous video, according to your topic, according to your colors, you don't have to use the colors that I have here. This is just an example what to do and how to do it, and to inspire you to reuse the Christmas decorations. You will notice in all of my videos the topic and the main thread is repurposing, reclaiming, and not throwing Christmas decorations, or making Christmas decorations from material that is already being used once, twice, or maybe 10 times. So like I said, what we can do, for example, we can use these stickers. So the easiest way is just to cut it, what you want to do. So peel off the sticker, and for example, I just want to change the look of this star, and maybe the topic is red and silver, and this one will last you until Christmas. This is a beautiful appearance and can go with your topic of decorations. Okay, very much similar with the round decoration. Okay, so those two we're going to put them aside. Okay, and what we can do with some others, for example, I am going to use the stars this time, since those stars are not pre-glued. So I will use my trusty glue gun. So I'm just going to use lines of the decorations where the plastic is actually glued together. So this is what we do. We're going to follow the line. And you don't even have to put a lot of glue. Line it up. Okay, so a little bit more here. And the simple cut, as much or as little as we need. Okay. Yes, the threads of the glue, they appearing a little bit funny. So here we go. This is the old decoration with the new lease of life. If you like, you can add a little bit more. Let's say we can add a little bit more. Maybe we can use the glue gun now. I mean, with the PVA glue instead of the glue gun. Oh, I think. If you don't have a glue gun, you can use PVA. All the PVA is kind of generous and comes off a lot, and you look more drips. So that's one fan of the glue gun more than anything. Cut it. And the fingers are sticking much more than So this is the stars, although we need to wait for the glue to dry out, so that's why I prefer using the glue gun rather than PVA. So we're going to put the PVA aside. Okay, so that's 3 different decorations now. Let's say if we go ahead to repurpose this sort of a silver matte Christmas decoration, I'm going to use the trusty stickers. I'm going to start, it's even dinted a little bit, so we can just cover the dint. And this is the better option. So here we go, we're just going to cut. So from that dinted Christmas decoration, nobody's going to know that this was already used and abused, to say the least. So yeah, brand new looking Christmas decoration. There you go. There you go. So giving them a new lease of life. So that's them. You can use Christmas trees, you can use the stars, you can use ribbons if you want to. For example, all of the ribbons will be topic in another video. So now we're just going to stay clear from the ribbons, but if you wish, you can also do that, or add a little ribbon to this one, and again give it a more, you know, more prominent appearance. And my, you know, recorder calling me the flair, giving it a flair to the decorations, which is a great word. And that's it for this particular video. Throughout the week I will continue and recording a little bit more different types of decorations and repurposing the decorations, because I've got heaps of more ideas to come. I want to wish you a Happy New Year to all of you, and thank you very much for watching today, and please subscribe and watch our video as many times as you want to. Have a wonderful day and much happiness in 2025 from InterDecco. Bye for now.